Welcome to Making Stuff with Chris Dayhut and the introduction of our new series called This Maker's Tools. Now, I never really identified as a maker my entire life, even though I have been building furniture probably since I was about 10 or 11 years old, up until to this day where I'm in my mid-60s. But one thing is for certain, I have a very diverse interest in everything. And with that comes a collection of tools for all different purposes and applications. Many of us utilize tools throughout our day and never even think twice of them. We're using tools and sometimes never even thought of them as tools. So I decided that I would do a series about tools for a wide variety of applications and purposes. Since the beginning of time, mankind has always been using tools. It has been falsely stated that what sets humans apart from other animal species is that we use tools. Well, we know that isn't true. Science has done a very good job of demonstrating that there's plenty of animals using plenty of tools. But nonetheless, tools are a part of our lives, and often we don't even give a thought to what they are, where they came from, how they're supposed to be used, and so on. Tools can be very simple, such as this screwdriver. In fact, there's a joke that us engineers used to use when we would be looking at someone of questionable intelligence. We would make the statement, "I don't think that person knows which end of the screwdriver he should be holding on to." There are also tools that are very modern, such as a cell phone. You put an application on this for a specific purpose to solve a specific problem, and it's a great tool. A CNC machine tool is a very complicated tool that can do a lot of work very accurately, very efficiently. So tools come in a tremendous wide variety. As a noun, it is anything that can facilitate the execution of a task. Traditional definitions seem to focus around something that is handheld. Well, over the years, in all the technologies that came into our lives that we use as tools may not necessarily fit in the hand, but they are definitely tools. In this new series, we'll take a look at some tool. We'll explore what it's called, what it's used for, how it's used, its history, its cost, and any other attributes about that particular tool that I find interesting. I will be presenting this from my perspective, and this will not be a series of tool reviews. This is most likely going to contain tools from my entire collection, from mechanics tools to woodworking tools to CNC tools, programming tools, computers, everything involved that I feel is a tool that facilitates the completion or execution of a task. If you are a maker, a tinker, or someone who just simply likes to do things, this video series is probably for you. No doubt I'll be covering tools you've never seen before, and they very well might solve a problem that you will experience in the near future. Episode number 1 will premiere June 19th, 2025 at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time here in the USA. I hope you join me on this journey. Every week we'll be discussing a different tool that may benefit you.